Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique Force Learning. This video is about using languages to broaden your Quora audience. Let's get started. Quora is amongst the biggest social media sites for sharing knowledge and connecting with individuals. Knowledgeable individuals and the learners come together in this space to help solve the question and spread legit information. People around the globe have joined this incredible social media site for participating, answering questions, and learning new things daily. The Quora app is available in many different languages. People can use the app as per their language preference effectively. If you're wondering how to use languages to broaden your reach in Quora app, here is everything you need to know. First, let's talk about what languages does Quora support. Quora is now available in 24 languages. Over the past 10 years, Quora has been very dedicated to building a way for people everywhere to share and grow the world's knowledge. Every day, its global community comes together to share diverse experiences, viewpoints, and ask questions. One important part of achieving its mission is making sure that everyone has access to knowledge and information shared on Quora, regardless of what language they speak. Much of the internet's knowledge is in English, but most of the world doesn't speak English. This makes it difficult or impossible for many people to access valuable information. To truly achieving its mission of sharing and growing the world's knowledge, they knew they needed to make Quora available in languages outside of English. Here's how to join, edit, or remove a language on Quora. First, tap on your profile picture. And on the drop-down menu, tap on Languages option. Once the Quora language setting opens, you will find English as the primary language with other 23 languages. Next, select your preferred language. Once you select your language, Quora will show a demo of the language asking you to add it or go back to English. Choose your option and it will show your content in your preferred language. If you want to revert back to English, just click on the language icon on the top right section. You can choose your language here. Or you can do the same steps as we did before. Click on your profile picture, then go to the language section. And from here, you can also choose your language of choice as the principal language, or you can click on the three-dot button to remove it. Then you can go back to English as your principal or primary language again. Next, let's talk about how does answer translation work on Quora. As Quora has expanded to support many different languages, one thing we've found is that similar questions are often asked in multiple languages. In many of those cases, someone has already written a great answer to it in one of those languages. If that answer were translated and available in other languages, it could greatly help the people who wanted to know the answer to the question, but couldn't find or read the original answer. If you're active in more than one language on Quora, you'll be able to select the Translate Answer option in the More menu or the three-dot button on an answer. Once translated and submitted, the answer will appear in that language and will show you as the author. However, it will also credit the original author and link back to the answer that was translated. Next, what are my options as the original author of a translated answer? If you're the original author, you will be notified about a translation of your answer once it's been submitted. We think giving users the ability to translate your answers will help share that knowledge with more people around the world. However, if you prefer that an answer you wrote not be available for translation, you can select the Not for Translation option in the More menu or the three-dot button for that specific answer. This will remove any existing translation of that answer and will also prevent it from being translated in the future. You can also update your translation preferences in your account settings by toggling the setting Allow other people to translate your answers into other languages. This setting will apply to all answers you've written on Quora. And now that you know all those things, I'll give you 5 reasons why you should use languages to broaden your audience. Number 1, you can increase your visibility. Translating an answer to a different language that you are active in are a great advantage for you to increase your visibility. More people will understand, and most importantly, you're most likely to gather local Quorans who are not English speakers, and you can get them to know you and your brand. Number 2, audiences are more likely to interact in their own language. Studies shows that people or Quorans are 5 times more likely to engage from a writer that has content in their mother tongue. So it stands to reason that by adopting multilingual content, people will feel more comfortable engaging with your brand. Number 3, it can enhance your search rankings. Similarly, if your content or answers in Quora gets translated by a Quoran that has great numbers of followers, your content will get more chances of having better rankings on search engines. Number 4, you can get more use out of your existing content. You can enhance good answers to great answers on Quora by translating them to languages you know. You can even add more, so your answer can get more upvotes from the audience. And lastly, number 5, you can build trust with international audiences, knowing that you can communicate better to them using the best fit language that they understand. And there you have it. Use your ability in knowing different languages and set it as active in Quora, and you'll be surprised of how your audience engagement will change. I hope you find this video helpful. And before this video ends, did you know that you can turn every prospect into a client using a hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages? Get 3 times more replies, 325% more conversions, and more sales from every message you send by using SelitPix by Technic4, a multi-platform hyper-personalization. Bring home new clients every day. SelitPix is the most powerful personalization suite. It supports multiple campaigns. You can customize unlimited landing pages, create unlimited image variations, send unlimited emails, and has ever-growing public template library and free credits every month. So try SelitPix now. Just go to goselitpix.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.